Well, hello there, everybody. How you doing today? I'm gonna do a quick video here on some glacial rock dust that I got from my garden. I've used it in the past, and I'm gonna add it again this year. It's been probably 3 or 4 years since I've used it, and I just want to get some more stuff into my ground. So basically, what it is rocks that have been crushed up. And from what I read on their website, I agree, is the product I'm using. I've used their stuff before. It's got about 100 trace minerals in it that are good to get into your garden that probably have leached out over the years, and it's good to put in there, and it lasts a few years, and it doesn't burn your roots or your crops, so it's really good for that as well. I'll just quickly read here what it says here. So the rock dust is sourced from mineral deposits by moving glaciers during the ice age, and the natural fertilizer contains essential plant nutrients that support strong plant growth that can be used on all plants in home gardens, landscape, lawn, and turf. It can be added to compost to help piles optimize nutrient conditions for root growth and overall development. So I'm going to be adding this. So what I did last time, I just kind of sprayed it over my beds and kind of mixed it in. But what I might do today, I'm gonna actually do some transplanting. I'm probably, when I dig my hole, I'll probably pop some in each hole, maybe half a cup in each hole, and then transplant my vegetables into it, and then go from there. Last time I used it, I remember it being really great. It helped my crops grow quite bigger, and they're just getting all the nutrients that your soils may have lost over the years. So there you go, just a quick little video on the glacial rock dust that I'll be using. I'll be doing another video today as well on transplanting, and I'll show you guys how that is used in the garden. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you out there. Happy gardening!